Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make legendary sushi by growing your own ingredients. First, let's talk about setting up your sushi garden for success. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Enrich your soil with plenty of organic matter, aiming for a slightly acidic pH between 6.0 and 6.5. Raised beds are excellent for managing soil conditions and preventing pests, ensuring your plants thrive from the start. Now, let's focus on the star ingredients you can cultivate. Short-grain rice, essential for sushi, can be grown in a small flooded area or large pots. Cucumbers, carrots, and creamy avocados are relatively easy to grow and provide vibrant fillings. Don't forget daikon radish and aromatic shiso leaves for that authentic Japanese touch. For the adventurous, wasabi requires specific cool, moist conditions and takes about 2 years to mature, but the reward is immense. Once your garden yields its bounty, harvesting and preparation are key. Pick your vegetables when they are at their absolute freshest, ensuring maximum flavor and crispness. Immediately wash and gently prepare everything. Cook your short-grain rice with precision, aiming for that ideal sticky texture that holds together beautifully. Slice your carrots, cucumbers, and other fillings into thin, uniform strips, about 1/8 of an inch thick, ready for rolling. Finally, the moment arrives to craft your legendary sushi. Lay out a sheet of nori, spread a thin, even layer of your perfectly cooked rice, leaving about 1 inch clear at the top. Arrange your freshly harvested fillings down the center. Roll your sushi tightly and evenly, applying gentle pressure to create firm, beautiful pieces. Slice with a sharp, wet knife into 6 or 8 equal portions. Enjoy the unparalleled taste of garden-fresh sushi, a true culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.